scrolling through TikTok, scrolling last night at like 2 a.m. and I saw someone eating churros. No, wait. Churros. No. Churros. I don't know. Let's make churros. Ugh. Look what I did to the poor table. I got the power. How to make churros? I need a cup of water. 1 cup of water coming right up. Oh, say, can you see? I need a pan. I need something to put my stuff in. Oh. A cup of water. Wait, is it cold? It's ice cold. Wait, I don't even need water. What? Suga and cinnamon. Okay. Where's the suga? Suga. Oopsie, I made a poopsie. I hate measuring stuff. Like, why do we need to measure stuff? Why can't we just like imagine it's all good? A cup of suga. We need cinnamon. How much though? They don't say. That's not good. This cinnamon. It's definitely not good. I'm so sick of the same old love. Cinnamon. ASMR. A little bit. That's good. Whoop. Whisk. It smells like churros. Not like I would know. Next is a saucepan. Ooh. Wait, what's a saucepan? I need a saucepan. What's a saucepan? Found it. That's huge.
2 seconds later.
Deal with every single day.
No! It's my son! I see you.
I need to make my churros. So now we're back at actually doing this. I'm doing it by myself.
No, I gotta help you do it. That was good.
So good.
Thank you. Okay. Awkward. You are, I believe. For wait.
There's a hair.
Oh.
Put some more. Put some more.
This reminds me of her.
Cup of water. Too close. You are gonna give people heart attacks.
Oh.
How old are you again?
I am actually
22. He's 22, you guys.
Hello.
Going to 23.
Wanna play? Wanna play a game? See a lot of oil in there. Why? Why? Give me a kiss. I'm Joshua now. Give me a kiss. Okay. I'll take a kiss from you guys.
Are you on drugs? Butter! In the microwave!
oh, I thought in the water.
Now he got the song stuck in my head. I hope I'm doing this right, because there's butter and water mixed together and it doesn't seem right. Little bit of sugar, like literally. And next, a bit of salt. Okay, I have the salt right here. I'm gonna do a little of salt. Put some more. Oh, I'm supposed to turn this on. It's so confusing. Ooh. I'm so confused. I'm gonna transfer the butter and the water into here. Transferring all the butter and the water into a saucepan. Makes sense, I guess? I don't know. Boyo. Hurry up them boil. I mean, steam is coming out. Does that mean it's boiling? I need to go back to my chemistry class. It's boiling too quickly. Wait for me. A cup of flour. I don't think that's supposed to happen. Bubbles are forming. Do you see what's happening here, or am I going crazy? Well, Google says, okay, lower the heat and cook and stir constantly. Look at this! Churros! So I need some eggies. Please tell me we have eggs. I'm praying. Eggies! Also need a bit of vanilla extract, I guess, to add some flavor. Okay, so this is my dough that's forming. Looks like a pizza dough. Interesting. 1 large egg. Why not 2? Put some more. You know how much I love my vanilla. Mom is calling me on my Apple Watch. Hello? Dough looks good. Ah, it's hot! I don't have a pipe. You know that thing where you squeeze and it comes out? I don't have that. Let's get creative. Let's make one out of bags. I have a bag. A Ziploc bag like you put your lunch in. I know I'm supposed to let it cool, but I don't got that much time. Why are there 2 holes? What? I don't know. Why are there 2 holes again? I got a new Ziploc bag. 1 hole! Yay! Okay, we're gonna try this. It's boiling! I don't know where the second hole is coming from again. Oh God, I put the churro on the other churro. That's not good. Brand new bag for the 3rd time, because the 3rd time is a charm. Let's see how many holes will appear. There's 2 holes, again. What the heck? I think they're burning. That's not good. Please don't burn on me. Don't burn, don't burn, don't burn. Don't burn. Okay, I think it burnt. This is awful, this is just going great. Okay, we're gonna get another bag and figure this out. We have to. I'm doing a smaller bag. Maybe like the big bags are the problem. Oh no, that's awful. That's too big. I cut the hole too big. Dang it. Dang it, it looks like poop. My first churro is ready. Bon appetit. It looks like a shrimp. Ew. Should I flip them? I don't know. Do people flip these? You have to flip them! The half side is burned! That's not very good. There's 2 holes because I'm cutting the 2 holes. That's why.
Watch. I'll show you the technique. Which 2 holes? Let me see. So there's 2 holes?
Yeah.
Oh, and that's why the technique is not working? Yeah. So what you do is that you close this hole and then boom, look at that.
Oh my God, I could close the hole with like tape or something.
Please tell me you haven't.
You're so smart!
Are you that stupid? How'd you make it to college?
Oh my God, it's working. You just have to close the other hole. I'll get back to you shortly when I'm done with all of these in like 20 days. So I'm done. There's definitely some weird looking churros in there. Very weird looking, very. They look like this. I know it's not a lot. What happened is I kind of threw most of them out because it didn't really work out. I didn't really think we were going for this onion ring churro shape. I thought it was kind of a different vibe, but that's okay. Some other of my favorites, this 3/4 of a circle. It looks like a half smile. What else? Oh yeah, definitely this like little short disabled one. I feel like it's a dwarf. Okay, what else is some of my favorites? Oh yeah, definitely this one. I don't know what happened to this, but like 5 of them all got stuck together. So we're gonna start with this one, yeah. I guess you're supposed to put it in the sugar and cinnamon, I guess. I don't know. Let's try it, because it took a long time. I don't know, I need another bite. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so good! It's really good. I want the little short one. The crunch. What the heck? It's so good! Okay, y'all. Definitely 10 out of 10. Definitely would do this again. And next time, I will not mess up 3/4 of the dough I made. I hope you enjoyed Lala cooking. My mom is calling again. I love you. Bye. Tell me other things you want me to cook. I'll try them. Bye.